Get ready for the dictation. Start. The petitioner has preferred this revision under section 397 read with 399 of CRPC, to set aside the orders passed in CC number 2677 bar 2013 on the file of civil judge and JMFC court, Kushalnagara, whereby the learned magistrate took cognizance of the alleged offences, issued process to the petitioner and held that there are sufficient grounds to frame charges against the petitioner, etc. Full point. Para. The first respondent filed a complaint under section 200 of CRPC, in PC number 219 bar 2003, seeking to initiate action against the petitioner herein in for the alleged offences punishable under sections 420, 466 and 471 of IPC, full point. It is alleged that in terms of the compromise entered into in OS number 113 bar 1999, the land in SY number 9 measuring 2.84 acres fell to the share of the first respondent, full point. The first respondent had agreed to sell the said property in favor of the petitioner for a sum of Rs 3 lakh, and it is agreed that no one should obstruct for free usage of road, paths and water, etc. full point. The petitioner dug a borewell, without consent of the first respondent, by creating false documents and obtained power connection for the said borewell, full point. In this background, the first respondent, the complaint is filed before the learned magistrate, full point. Para. The learned magistrate referred the said complaint for investigation to the jurisdictional police under section 156 clause 3 of CRPC upon investigation, the police submitted a B final report, which was objected to by the first respondent, by way of a protest petition, the sworn statement of the first respondent was recorded on his behalf, by order dated 13/12/2013. The learned magistrate accepted the protest petition and issued process to the petitioner under section 204 clause 1 subclause A of CRPC, for the alleged offences punishable under section 463 and 466 of IPC, the petitioner appeared through his learned advocate and participated in the further proceedings, the learned magistrate proceeded to record evidence before charge and on behalf of the first respondent, PWs 1 and 2 are examined and exhibit P1 to exhibit P11 are marked, at the stage of hearing before charge, the petitioner contended that there are no sufficient materials on record to frame charges against him for the alleged offences, upon considering the rival contentions, the learned magistrate, by order dated 26/9/2016, has rejected the contentions of the petitioner and held that a prima facie case is made out to proceed against the petitioner for trial for the alleged offences and posted the matter for framing of charges, para, being aggrieved by the said order dated 26/9/2016, the petitioner preferred criminal petition number 1287/2017 under section 482 of CRPC, before our Honorable High Court, by order dated 8/11/2017, the said petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty to the petitioner to approach this court by way of a revision full point. Hence, the petitioner is before this court by way of this revision full point. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that electricity connection was obtained by the petitioner after digging borewell, for bar during 1999 full point. The present complaint is filed during 2003, after inordinate delay of 4 years full point. The complaint itself was not maintainable, since the first respondent has not filed any affidavit along with the complaint, which is mandatory under law full point. The procedure adopted by the learned magistrate after the police submitted B final report is also illegal full point. Without passing any order on the B final report, the learned magistrate has accepted the protest petition based upon the sworn statement led in by the first respondent full point. The protest petition is very bald and independently does not make out any offense at all full point. Under these circumstances, the learned magistrate has committed illegality in taking cognizance and issuing summons to the petitioner and also ordering to frame charges against him full point. This petition is filed after our Honorable High Court has given liberty to the petitioner to approach this court, and hence this petition is very much maintainable full point. When OS number 113/1999 is filed on 15/9/1999, which is subsequent to the alleged forged document dated 13/4/1999 submitted for obtaining electricity connection to the borewell, the first respondent is stopped from taking up any contentions in that regard full point. Subsequently, the first respondent has set up his sons to file another suit in OS number 313/2009, which was decreed, but however the said decree is set aside in regular appeal. Full point. The present complaint is filed with an intention to harassing the petitioner and hence the proceedings are nothing to abuse of process of law. Full point. The learned magistrate has not applied his judicial mind to these aspects and committed an error in proceeding with the matter to frame charge against the petitioner. Full point. He thus, prays for allowing this revision petition. Full point. In support of his contentions, he has relied upon the following decisions, stop.